Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has lost his appeal against the Supreme Court ruling refusing to strike out portions of an affidavit filed by a senior Integrity Commission official. The affidavit, submitted by the Commission's former Director of Information and Complaints, Craig Beresford, forms part of the Prime Minister's legal challenge to the Commission's 2024 investigation report into his financial affairs. Dr. Holness had argued that sections of the affidavit were scandalous and sought to have them removed. Despite the setback, the Prime Minister previously succeeded in obtaining a court order requiring the Integrity Commission to disclose certain documents linked to the investigation as his substantive legal challenge continues.